Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine and safe. Our half yearly portion is completed. I hope you all have done your work in the copies and started your revision. And now, without wasting our time, we'll be starting the syllabus of periodic test 2. Today onwards, we are going to study the syllabus of periodic test 2. Don't get confused, these chapters will not come in your half yearly exams. Okay, so today we are going to start lesson number 7, that is Across 3 Millennia. What is the name of the chapter? Across 3 Millennia. And this chapter is written by Emily Smith. This chapter is written by Emily Smith. So, dear children, here if you see the chapter, your book on page number 81, you can see the two different styles are given. Chapter is written in two different styles. One is in italic and one is normal. That means, dear children, in this chapter, you are going to study about two stories. Clear? There are two stories together in this chapter. And by seeing the style of the letters, you can recognize the stories. The story which is written in italic style, that is the story of Philip, and which is written in normal, that is the story of Lalda. So don't get confused about this. First of all, before starting the chapter, I will give you the introduction of this chapter. Here already I told you there are two stories. One story is of Philip and another one is of Lalda. Clear? Now, in Philip's story, the main characters are Philip, Simon and Cleon. Philip, Simon and Cleon. Philip is a smart boy, he is a little desperate and he is hungry. Simon is an architect, he is smart personality, and Cleon is Philip's instructor, or can say Philip's teacher, and he is a wise person. Now, setting where the scene is created, it is the time of ancient Greece. It is the ancient story. The story belongs to the ancient time, and the temple work site. Clear? The place where the temple is being constructed. Conflict. Philip is in need of a job from Simon because his family is beginning to starve. Now, at this site where the construction of the temple is going on, Philip has come to seek the job because his family is starving. He wants to get the job. Second story is about Lalda. The characters in this story are Lalda and Brielle. Lalda and Brielle. Lalda is a smart girl. She is an astronaut and she is Brielle's assistant. And then another character is Brielle. Brielle is also smart, enforces the rules, and she is also an astronaut. This story belongs to the modern time and 28 days since Brielle's death. Brielle's death took place 28 days before, and here the scene of CMF-22. It is a spacecraft. Lalda is on a very important mission, but she soon notices that her ship is on course straight for the sun. With extreme pressure being given to her, Lalda must decide if she should trust the autopilot's directions or override the system and change the course. This is the introduction of this chapter, and dear children, now we are going to study this chapter in detail. Once again I am telling you, do not get confused in this chapter. Here the two different styles are given. Philip's story is given in italic style and Lalda's story is given in normal style. Clear? So few word meanings are given here on page number 86. We'll see that, and the meanings of other words I'll give you while explaining the chapter. You can hold your pencil in your hand and you can write the meanings of those words in your book.